How to check Wi-Fi data usage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap on the icon on the right side of any network you wish to check data usage on. Then scroll down to find and tap the IP address. Tap and hold this address to copy it. This IP address is the local gateway to your router's settings panel, which can often be accessed through a web browser. Next, open the Safari app and paste this IP address into the search bar. Following these steps, you can easily check Wi-Fi data usage on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.